A speed reducer, also known as a gear reducer, is a very simple mechanical device. A speed reducer is simply a set of gears between a motor and a machine used to reduce the speed of power transmission. A speed reducer has two main purposes: to multiply the torque input produced by the power source, and to reduce the speed of the input so that the output speed reaches a precise value. Reduction gears are generally used for low speed, high torque transmissions to slow down electric motors, internal combustion engines, or other high-speed power. And ordinary reduction gears will have several pairs of gears with the same principle to achieve the desired reduction effect. How does a speed reducer work? A speed reducer is generally used in low-speed and high-torque transmission systems. The output gear of a speed reducer has more teeth than the input gear. Therefore, while the output gear may rotate more slowly, reducing the speed of the input, torque is increased. In summary, a combination of large and small gears will increase torque while decreasing speed. The ratio of the number of revolutions of the drive gear to the number of revolutions of the driven gear in the reducer structure is called the gear ratio. By varying the torque, speed output, a machine, usually a motor or engine, can precisely control speed. The output torque of a speed reducer can be calculated by the product of the motor's output torque and the gear ratio. The actual output torque of the speed reducer must not exceed its rated torque. Classification of reducers. Different types of reducers have different functions, and they can be classified according to different ways. According to the way of transmission, they can be categorized into straight-tooth cylindrical gears, gearboxes, and planetary gearboxes. According to the number of transmission stages, they are categorized as single-stage and multi-stage reducers. According to the shape of the gears, they can be divided into cylindrical gear reducers, bevel gear reducers, and bevel cylindrical gear reducers.